Today we have a really exciting video because I'm going to show you a brand new all-in-one trading platform that I believe is going to take over because it has so many cool and unique features. It's still in private beta, so you do need an access code to get early access. You can use the code Ragnar or get instant access with my link down below. You do also get 10% less fees on their platform, but I believe public launch is right around the corner. This platform is called AXIOM. I think that's how you pronounce it. The only trading platform you'll ever need: memes, perps, yield, all in one. They have 0 tweets because they haven't officially launched yet, but this is what their platform looks like. So let me show you what makes this platform so unique. So at first glance, it looks like your average trading platform. You have trending tokens, you have deck screener tokens, you can search for tokens up here. If you click on to any of these tokens, it looks like any trading platform. First of all, it's a very fast and accurate trading platform. You obviously have the chart, you have some info on the tokens, you have top traders, holders, you have your own positions, as well as all of the trades going on down here. Then you can buy and sell your tokens. You have different presets for different slippage. You then have some additional token info. You have some volume info up here. You can set limit orders or advanced orders. If we head over to Pulse, this is where you see all of the new pump fun and moonshot pairs being launched. So you have new pairs right here. You have the final stretch, meaning tokens that are about to migrate to Radium. That notification that just showed up was one of the wallets I am tracking that just bought a position in this token, but I will get back to that very soon. These are the tokens that have migrated over to Radium. You can obviously set your own filters, so you have different audit filters like age, top 10 holders, dev holding, snipers, etc. And then you have money metrics, so here you can set liquidity filters, volume, market cap, transactions, etc. You can enable pump fund, Radium, and moonshot. You can also search for different keywords. For example, if you're watching a Trump speech and you want to only buy or show tokens related to Trump, you can type in Trump here and it will only show Trump related tokens. You can obviously set these same filters for the final stretch and the migrated tokens as well. But here comes the interesting parts. The thing that sets this platform apart from other trading platforms. First of all, you have this tracker section where you can track all the trades of wallets you are following. So this is why I got the notification, because this one wallet I am following is currently buying tokens. You can obviously turn off notifications if you don't want them on, but as you can see right now I'm only following one wallet. But if you are following multiple wallets, it will obviously show all of the trades of the wallets you are following. If you do want to follow a wallet, let me just show you what that looks like. If we head over to a random token, go to top traders, for example, we find a wallet we would like to track. Just click on it and you can see all of the details, all of the active positions, trading history, the activity and the PNL, etc. of that wallet. If you click up here, you can start tracking that wallet. And as you can see, I have notifications on. I'm going to be turning that off because I don't want to get notifications every time, but that wallet will then show up in your wallet manager. But this is obviously pretty standard, like you have this on many other trading platforms. What you don't necessarily have is this Twitter alerts. So this is a Twitter tracker where it super frequently updates and shows you brand new tweets from interesting profiles. So whenever an interesting person tweets about a ticker or anything related to a token, it will show up right here and you can easily buy that token within seconds. So this is really, really cool. Overall, I do also love the UI UX of this platform. It's super clean. And then if we head over to the next section, you actually have perpetual trading on this platform as well. So if you want to trade with leverage, you can get leverage up to 50x on all of your favorite tokens. So this is also really, really cool. As it states in their Twitter bio, they are trying to create an all-in-one platform so that you won't have to use any other platform. You can do everything on Axiom with perpetuals, with meme coin trading, tracking, even yield. They have partnered and integrated with MarginFi to give you USDC as well as Solana yields. So instead of just letting your Solana or USDC sit on the sidelines, you can actually stake it and earn yield from your portfolio. Then this is what the portfolio section looks like. I'm not holding any position actively. I basically just tried trading one token on this platform so far. As you can see, I am down, but I am gonna change that very soon. But here it shows all of your active holdings, your history, top 100, etc., and your recent activity, as well as PNL. You also have this data for your perpetual trading. I'm not in any leverage positions right now. Another really cool thing is that they have this rewards section. Here you can actually earn Solana and upgrade your account to basically earn more rewards just by using the platform. So you have these quests, refer 3 people, trade 5 Solana or more in volume, make 10 transactions, etc., which will make you points, which will then earn you Solana. If we head over to their Discord, you can see people are making quite a lot just by using the platform. This guy has earned 13 Solana from these rewards. This guy has made almost 5 Solana from these rewards. So you basically get rewarded just by using the platform like you would anyway. So this is also really cool stuff. Then in the top right corner, you have notifications. You obviously also have your Solana amount and dollar value. Another pretty cool thing about Axiom is that they are backed by Y Combinator, which is obviously a huge startup venture fund that helps interesting startups. So it just tells you a bit about who's backing them and why I'm so bullish on this platform and why I wanted to share it with you guys. And then at the bottom of the page, you can also open your Twitter tracker right here. You can open your wallet tracker as well. You can change presets. You have the Bitcoin price, Ethereum price, and Solana price at the bottom as well. You are also able to change the region you are trading from. You have US West, US East, EU, and Asia. Right now I am in EU, so I would personally swap to EU to get the fastest connection possible to make sure my trades go through super quickly. So overall, I think Axiom is a really cool platform. Public launch is right around the corner, but if you want early access, sign up with my link down below. It does also help support me. I'm very curious to hear your thoughts about this platform. What do you think? Let me know down below in the comment section. I'm definitely going to continue playing around on this platform, potentially even making it my main trading platform moving forward. If you have any questions about this platform, do let me know down below. And whenever they release new updates and new features, which I'm sure they will do pretty frequently since they are just getting started, I will let you know and I will make separate videos on that, so make sure to stay tuned. With that said, check out my Twitter and Telegram down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this sort of content. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys later. Peace.